Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome, welcome. How is everybody? One sec, let me get some music on really quickly. Bear with me. Bear with me. There we go. Oh, loud. Right, yeah. How's it going? Who's here? Welcome, everyone. Gold's been super slow today. It's not really done much since the session started. It's been in like this sort of range here. Not much direction at all. You know, look at that. Absolutely nothing really. Not like this. But let's see what we can catch on gold. Yesterday there wasn't too much. Today I haven't taken too much. Yes, John, everyone, how's it going? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Hope everyone's good. But yeah, for me on gold right now, like I say, I'm just gonna wait for this hour, 30 minutes to close in there. But for me on gold, I'm not gonna be looking to sell at all until you can get back below 26.83 here. This is the only point at which I'll actually look to start selling gold. Gold's bullish. You can see on all time frames, gold is bullish. So I'm not looking to sell against that. I'm not looking to sell until we get below there against this overall upside. So below 26.83, then yeah. In terms of longs, for now, the only range that we can actually get back above is here, 26.88. Like I say, is it back above here, then I'll be open to longs. Okay. Hey. Welcome. Um, Yes, guys, welcome. How's it going? Right, we're back. Sorry about that. Yeah, so yeah, for me on gold, this is the range I'm using. One second, guys. Let me have a look at the chat really quickly. I was just checking the thingy. I was just checking the stream health and that. It's all good, all good. But yeah, Dean, welcome. You're welcome. Aways, Naz, how's it going, guys? Welcome. For me, this is the range I'm using on gold for now. Okay, like I say, I'm going to see what CPI does. Like, we've got an hour until news, so I'll be live trading here with you for at least another hour. We'll see what news does, and then we'll go from there. But I am going to be looking to actively take positions for the next 45 minutes. So let's see what the session brings, yeah? See what the session brings, guys. But yeah, welcome back to another stream. Sorry about that. I was just checking the internet, and I was just checking the stream health and if the connection was good, and it's all good. But yeah, I'm using this range for now. Gold's super choppy. I'm not going to sit here all day and just watch this. There's no way. We'll just see what gold does for the next, 30, 40 minutes, and we'll go from there, okay, guys? Has anybody taken any positions today? Yes, Aways, nice one. Yes, guys, drop a like on the video too. If you've just joined, drop a like. Let's get it up to 10 again. Nice one, guys. Has anybody taken any positions today? I've not taken absolutely nothing. The London session was... It's done nothing all day, really. What's the range been? London, it's been 70 ticks, but it's been sideways, really. Look, sideways range. You only really had a push here. You only really had a push there. fly. But yeah, welcome guys, welcome. How's everyone doing? I am going to be looking to take positions. I'm just waiting to see what direction gold wants to give us. One of them days where you just got to sit back and wait. Had a win at 7:45. Oh yeah, 5:45. Yeah, this entry here. I saw that too. I didn't execute this. I wasn't trading at this time. I was watching the market. Obviously, I'm in Asia, but I wasn't watching this market here. This is the price action I've had today. The price action I've had to deal with is this, and it just hasn't been good. But good work, Dean, mate. Very, very good stuff, mate. Yeah, I am gonna look to execute. If we do get back above this level here, I'm going to look into belonging into 2693, and then back up into 2700s. These kind of 2697, 2700 areas. I'm interested to catch these long continuations, to be fair. Overall volume's bullish. Just need that closure above this recent resistance, really. I won't really be doing anything within this range. Just going to update the community really quickly. Yo, Fabio, how's it going, bro? Matt, welcome. Aways, welcome. Rav, everyone's here. Have you traded yet today, John? Nope, I haven't, mate. I'm just within this range and these liquidity areas for now. You know, we've got liquidity. I'm not trading at all within this range. Gold's been super choppy all day, as I've just mentioned. There's nothing at all that you could have really taken on gold. The only move that we had in London was these 3 three 15-minute candles that pushed up. Seriously, look, from 6:30 you ranged for like 2 hours, and then you've ranged from 9:30 until now. Gold's not had any sort of direction, really. Like, we are bullish, but in the last couple of hours there's been no like continuation. It's just been sideways. Has anybody else traded today? Get a comment in if you've traded. Let me know. I know Dean's took a W, which is great. Has anybody else taken any positions? It's not been, to be honest with you, it's not been the one to be trading gold really today. There's not been much direction. UK news inflation was good, yep. Yep, you're right there, mate. Indy's Rav, right? Yeah, it's Rav. CPI later on. Yeah, got some big news soon in an hour. An hour from now. Let me have a look. Yeah, we got in an hour from here. So I'm going to be trading for the next 45 minutes, see what CPI does, and then I'll log off and just trade with the community. Small W this morning, $90. Oh, yeah, caught a good long on NQ. Nice, we'll have a look at that in a second. Y'all have a look. Small W this morning, $90 or so, and need to start journaling. Matt, yep, like I say, there's the journal in the community that you can use. There's one there, mate. But I'm bearish myself on gold, really. I'm personally not looking for sells until we get below this level here. I will not look for any sells at all. Once we get back below this level, then you've got some liquidity to work in to sell into here, and maybe some lows here. But Yeah, I'm not selling below there. It's just chop. This is just noise. This is the gold here. Seriously, anybody looking to trade this, you're literally guessing. There's nothing. Gold's telling you absolutely nothing here. The only thing it's done is told you that it wants to go long here, and you could have caught this push up. But other than that, it's done absolutely nothing. Like, if you've stayed out and taken no trades today in London session, well done. That's great. Me too. I've taken nothing. That's the difference between profitable traders and people who just get chopped about and lost and lose within these markets. Mrs. Account, nice one, Rav. Oh, took half risk position from 26.88. 26.88. You took the short from 26.88 here after taking this liquidity. Nice. Naz, good stuff. Learning the half risk entry. That's what it's about, bro. Good work, Naz. Mrs. Account. Yeah, no worries, Rav, bro. All good. Wait until after news now. Like I say, Naz, good stuff. I'll be trading for the next... I'll be looking for positions for the next, I'd say, 30 minutes. You know, we can get that little position, we can get break even, 20 ticks in break even, and then we can maybe get that big push on news to help our trade. But also had a little win from that push up. Nice, nice, Fabio. Did you take it here? Fabio, did you take it here, mate? Round here. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. If you haven't liked already, guys, drop a like. You know that, bro. Yeah, nice. New retail would have their stop losses there for the breakout buy. Yeah, to be fair. Yeah, there's a lot of retail who's got the stops down the breakout buy and then retraces. That's what the... Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff, Naz. 26.80, a fair liquidity target. Yeah, this is my liquidity target here. And don't get me wrong, I am bullish. I would prefer buys above here. But if gold if gold closes below this level, I'll just trade into this as my first target. Because if we close here, you know, you've still got like 25 ticks into them lows. So I'll just sell into them lows and then look for buys after. Yeah, I am bullish, but I am bullish on gold. You know, look at the hourly, you can see it's bullish. 4 hourly is bullish. Yeah, I prefer buys, but if it pulls back and breaks below with some volume, I'll just take shorts down as well. Yeah, took it over my level at 26.85 100 up until 26.88. Yeah, 26.88 is clean. 26.85. Yeah, that's a clean level, to be fair, Fabio. Break there, push into 26.88. You've got 35 ticks there. Nice. Some decent ticks there, bro. Clean. Yeah, I'm just waiting on gold. Waiting game today. Super choppy. Yeah. Range bound today. Look at sideways here. Let me check. Let me check the US 100. What did you take, Yol? What entry did you take, bro? Oh, you've got some good liquidity targets on US 100. 21. Yeah, yo, what entry did you take? Let me take a look. That is fair. To be fair, it trades very cleanly. You know, it does trade very cleanly. US 100 too. Oh, that long on the right before the range. Oh, here. I understand this long here, now ranging. Yeah, nice. Ah, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Liquidity sweep here. There's your entry candle. I know you would have been like in this a little while before taking any partials, but look at that. Liquidity sweep, continuation higher. Decent. Decent. Yeah, you've been smashing it on this US 100, haven't you, y'all? Same concepts though, it's beautiful. The gold, GJ trades good as well with this, but I only trade gold. Gold's enough for me. Yeah, gold's plenty. Where's the range though? I'll show you. Like I say, I haven't dissected it too much. Let's have a look at the 15. Yeah, you've got a range. Decent range there, look at that. Let me replay it. Broke above. Broke above. Okay, you don't get the entry because there's no flip. Price instantly pushes down, and then you confirm above the level, look. Confirming above the level. Take liquidity, you're still above the level. Price reacts and pushes away from it. So yeah, you've had your breakout above your range. That's your sell side range. You've closed above it and you've confirmed above it. So you're long here. That's actually clean. Close above, confirmation there to push higher. Like I say, I don't trade it. It can be, yeah, it can be dangerous. Especially in US session. A lot of futures. Oh, here we go. 15 minutes. Let's get back above here. Oh, looking at that. Is that electrolyte water? Yes, it is, mate. Aways, yeah. It's electrolyte water. It's good. That was a joke, by the way. We don't need to get back above here. It was on replay. It's actually really good. I get one like almost every day. So you don't need a block range. You could have one range line set. No, you could, but looking at this position, you would have had a range anyway. Look, if you go onto the 15, which this entry would have been on, like on the breakout or when you're waiting for the break of your range. Let me show you. When you're waiting for your break above your break below, this would be your range. You know, you'd have buys back above here, sells back below here. So that would be your range. Okay, and when you break above, your entry's here, and you've still got that same range. You're entering above the range with confirmation. You know, stops can either go below the low, 23 ticks, or on the flip, and then bang. But you are still, look, you've still got that block range like you talk about. And sells or longs based on that one zone? No, not for me. The problem with that, Indy, is if you start looking for sells below this level, price comes into many levels before you get... The reason for the sell level is because it's the safest place to enter the market. You know, look what price did. Look what price did when it came back into the range here. It reacted and continued higher. If that makes sense. So this sell side here, until you create a new range above, you can't look to change that range, or you can't look to sell below here because look, price reacted within the range and continued higher because there's so much structure to the left to get below before you start looking for sells. We'll see what the news brings though. See what the news brings. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments, guys. Vinny, yeah, I can have a look at Bitcoin now. I can have a look at Bitcoin for you. If you've got any other charts you want me to have a look at, any other pairs, you know, we're looking at gold now. But if you've got any other pairs you want me to take a look at, I can do, okay? Just drop it in. Any other questions, let me know. But I can have a look at Bitcoin. Just list a few that you want me to break down whilst we're waiting for gold to set up, and I can break them down for you. But let's see Bitcoin now. I don't want that chart. I want the Coinbase chart. I'm not looking at it in terms of 4-hourly or hourly analysis. I'll look at it on the daily, and the daily's interesting. Look what the daily's done. For me on Bitcoin, right now it's all on this weekly close. I'd like to see how this weekly close is on Bitcoin. If I was looking at it in terms of what direction it could be on, where it could go in the next couple of weeks, I'd look at how this weekly close. Look at the weekly now. Okay, 1 second. Look at the weekly now. This weekly swept all these lows to the left and looks like it's starting to close bullish. If this closes bullish, say here, for example, nice and bullish, then I'd expect the next week to continue and push to the upside and take out these highs and these highs. Okay? So for me on Bitcoin, I'd be looking for buys into these highs and these highs. Yeah. I'd be looking to take it long into these highs. Let's have a look at the daily. Daily too, look, you've taken liquidity. You've seen XRP today. I'll have a look at it in a minute, mate. I have still got a big bag of XRP running. I don't know if it's ready to take profits. I hadn't hit any of my alerts, but yeah, I think it is booming, to be fair. Yeah, I think you're right, mate. But yeah, if we do close bullish on Bitcoin this week, I'd expect these highs to be taken at least next week. Back into 100k. But yeah, let's have a look at XRP. Binance chart's good. Whoa, yeah. Back up into 2.9. Yeah, like I say, I'll be looking at this when it gets back up into like $3.50 where the all-time high is. If you go onto the Coinbase chart, I think. No, not the Coinbase chart. There is oh yeah. Look at the market cap now, 158 billion. What do I think of ETH? Let's have a look. ETH, yeah, ETH has got ETH has had a nice little pullback, to be fair. ETH's had a decent pullback. It hasn't really had a run like other cryptos, so I think it will have a push soon. But like I say, in terms of analysis, where could ETH come into? You could probably see it come back up into like 2,700. Comes back down into 2,700 here. It's got a decent way, you know, pushing back up into these highs. It's got like a 50% gain there. Could it push lower? Possibly. You know, where could ETH pull down into? These liquidity, take that liquidity and continue higher. Or it could come into this level and continue higher. There's a couple of possibilities there, to be fair. Yeah. But let's have a look at Sol too. What's Sol saying? Solana. Solana's had a decent pullback too. Coming into a big level again is Solana. Yeah, you'd expect, like I say, what you want to do on the weekly as well, you want to just see how it's reacting from this level. Any bullish closes, then yeah, you can just continue the momentum higher into your highs. Especially with crypto, it reacts really well from levels, especially on the weekly and the daily. Let's get back to gold anyway. Yeah, look at this price action. Shocking. Horrible. PA on gold, look at that. Yeah, I'm just going to see how this hourly closes, to be honest with you. See how this hourly closes in probably the next 15 minutes. See what the next 15 minutes does. What's everyone else think of crypto at the moment? Does anybody trade crypto at all? Anybody trade crypto, hold crypto? I'm personally, I don't know. I hold some coins, of course, but I'm not doing too much buying of crypto right now. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is high as well, look. It's high again. I started buying it up here, you know, you want to see, when you see altcoins and all the other coins doing really well, Bitcoin dominance is down at like 50%, like below this level. So once it breaks back below 55%, that's when you're going to see everybody making money on their altcoins. For now, it's too high. But like I said, back to gold. Only holding ETH, nice. Got a large trade currently. Rav, what have you got, mate? I've held our XRP since 43 cent, nice. I'm holding 4 ETH and 1 Bitcoin, Vinny, nice. Vinny, do you trade gold at all? Do you trade gold or do you just trade Bitcoin, ETH? Very nervous with ETH though. Let's have a look. Gold's doing nothing. I'm probably just going to head off in about 10 minutes, guys. Gold's doing absolutely nothing today. There's no point in staying on. But we can have a look at ETH really quickly. To be honest with you with ETH, it's having a little pullback and it's taken some liquidity, look. It's taken some liquidity, so if it is going to pull and continue higher, where would I expect it to run into? Probably this trend line here. So that's not a decent, it's not a bad place. You probably, like I say, take out this trend line liquidity and then you can review. But you could see, you know, like I say, you're coming into some levels too here. Coming into a decent level on ETH. So you could see that last little pull down and then continuation higher. You know, taking out some of these highs and back up into 4,000s. Vinny, nice. Trades gold too, good. 5x leverage Bitcoin. I don't leverage trade crypto at all. Yeah, Vinny, how much did you buy Bitcoin at, bro? Yo, you bought Bitcoin, but I sold it because I thought it was going to split. What price? I've only ever, I'll tell you when I bought XRP. I'll literally show you the chart. One sec, let me go on the weekly really quickly. Yeah, it was here when it pumped. Literally here in like 2019, 2020. I held it for a while. It absolutely flew. Came back down. Basically break. Yeah, like 21 cent, 22 cent. I've literally held it ever since. And I've only started selling here. I've only started selling at like $2. And I bought it around maybe like 2019 here. So look how long I've held it for. So from there to there, I've made like what, 9x. But like I say, when I was trading it and buying it here, I didn't really have any idea of how to take profits. Now I do. Now I do. Totally different game for me now, crypto. Totally different game. Bitcoin at 90,000, nice. BTC and ETH can really make huge gains with leverage. Yeah, like I said, Bitcoin. Oh, what is this? Why is this in there? Yeah, you like I say, with Bitcoin, you're not gonna. Yeah, if you haven't got a lot of it, like a full coin, you're not gonna be making too big of gains. Like, what's the point in buying a tenth of a, well, not a tenth, like, what's the point in buying like 0.001 of a coin? Especially if it's not with leverage too. If it's not with leverage and all, it's like not worth it. I'm expecting gold to be 27.04, 27.10 rejecting today. What do you think, brother? 27.04. Yeah, if gold for me, I'd be looking for higher prices on gold if we get back above 26.88 here. Yeah, back above here at 26.88. And for sells, it'd be back below here for now. Like, we are starting to break below now. But it has just opened the 30 minutes, so I am going to see. Just going to play it by here. Gold's been ranging today. I'm not really looking to just jump into anything. And we've got CPI in 30 minutes. It'll be the next 15 minutes where I'm executing. But yeah, you're right, mate. Vinny, back above here, I'll be looking to buy gold. But community members too, just sit on your hands, wait for gold to be clearer. There's not much happening at all. It's been within this range for the majority of the day. But yeah, I'm probably, to be honest with you, I'm probably going to head off. Yeah, I'm going to head off. I've been on for, what, 45 minutes? I'm not going to sit in this chop, guys. Like I say, I'll come back tomorrow for London session, and we'll go from there. All right? But Discord community members, I will be active in the gold chat, and we can watch CPI together, okay? Like I say, Discord community members, if you've got any questions, let me know. Send me a message or put it in the gold chat. If you do want to get involved in the Discord community, anybody here who's not in the Discord community and you want to get involved, click that link, sign up, and learn the full strategy. Or if gold dips further, 26.49 is a good buy zone. For me, what I'll do if gold pushes further down, like pulls back like so, I'll wait for a new range and some strong closes, Vinny. Get some closes above or below the range, then I'll look to buy or sell. Like I say, I've got a system and a strategy all for that. It's basically a mechanical strategy, a little bit of discretion, but I've got steps in what I do. Yo, Messer, how's it going, bro? Yeah, Messer, I'm heading off, mate. I've been on for 40 minutes. Gold's not really done much. It's been chopping, and we've got CPI in 30 minutes. So I thought I'd just jump on, see if it wanted to do anything. But yeah, I'm gonna head off. Actually, one sec. What's the 15 saying? But yeah, Messer, how's it going, bro? Thanks, Joe. See you later. Y'all, in a bit, mate. In a bit. Yeah, guys, I'll be live for the US session tomorrow too. And let me just get the schedule up. I'll be live for the London session tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be live for the London session tomorrow. So I'll see you all for the London session tomorrow. And yeah, keep patient, wait for your ranges and some strong closes. I'll be probably waiting for at least another 15 minutes until the 15 closes, until we get back below this level here. Get back below this range, I'll be looking to sell down, okay? Sell on gold, okay? Thanks for your analysis, no worries, Vinny. See you soon. Messer, in a bit, bro. Discord members, I'll see you in the gold chats, and yeah. In a bit, guys. Peace.